this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Huawei Nova Y70, and we'll do this by plugging in this GOSM Smart Socket into the charger, and it will send the statistics to this device on the left. So now let's try plugging in the charger to the socket. Cable as well. Then the power source. Onto the device. So it just started charging. Now this phone right here should show us statistics, but let's wait about 30 seconds till all of them are stable. So I think they've just stabilized. Now let me zoom in so you can see. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.